Hi everyone, I am Chaitanya, Oracle trainer. In this video, I want to talk about one Oracle interview question. That is, how can we copy the table? So topic name is copying table. See, copying table means creating new table from the existing table. For this, we have to follow this syntax. Observe. Copying table means creating table from the existing table. So we have to follow this syntax. Create table, table name as, write the select query. So with this select query result, a new table will be created here. For example, I want to create a new table from the existing table EMP. So EMP is the existing table. It has 8 columns are there and 14 rows are there. This is existing table. From this existing table, I want to create a new table EMP1. So exact copy of EMP I want to create with the name EMP1. This is my requirement. So for this, I am following this syntax only. Create table, table name as select query. Observe here. So I am opening existing table EMP. Just observe. Select star from EMP. This EMP table has 14 rows. 14 rows are there and 8 columns are there. So this is the existing table. As of now, there is no table with the name EMP1. Select star from EMP1 I am executing. No table is there as of now. So now we want to create the new table with the name EMP1 from the existing table EMP. So for this, I am writing like this. Observe. Create table. What is the new table name? EMP1 as. From existing table, we want to get the data. So from the table, if we want to select the data, we write select query. So I'm writing select query here. I want to get all columns. So write star. Star means all columns. From which table? EMP table. So what is the result of select star from EMP? It selects all rows and columns. So with this result, a new table will be created with the name EMP1. So this is copying table. Observe now, this query I am executing. So it is telling that table EMP1 is created. Now open and see the table data. Select star from EMP1. Execute this command. Observe now, exact copy of EMP is created. Observe, last row is 14. 14 rows are there, 8 columns are there. I am giving one more example. Now, I want to create the new table from the existing table EMP. So EMP table has 8 columns, 14 rows. EMP table has 8 columns, 14 rows. I want to create the new table with the name EMP2. But I want to get only 4 columns here. Those are employee number, e-name, job, salary. 4 columns. And manager's records I want. So from the EMP table, I want to create the new table with the name EMP2 with 4 columns, employee number, e-name, job, salary, and with manager's records. So we are writing like this. Observe. Create table. What is the new table name? EMP2 as. So from the existing table, we want to create the new table. From the existing table, if we want to get the data, write select query here, but we want to get 4 columns only. So write those 4 column names: employee number, e-name, job, salary. From which table we want? EMP table. We want to get only manager's records. So write where condition. Where job equals to manager. Now execute this query. I am executing this query. Okay, observe here. Okay, just a minute. Single quote not terminated. Okay, execute this query. Observe. EMP2 table created. So now open and see the table data. See, select star from EMP2. Execute this query now. See here, with 4 columns, with manager's records, EMP2 new table is created from the existing table EMP. So this is about copying table.